Welcome. This is another installment of the AI-focused content in and around Gigafactory, Nevada, Tesla's Gigafactory, Nevada location. TRIC, the Tahoe Regional Industrial Center, is a huge industrial center located off of USA Parkway, off of I-80 near the city of Reno and Sparks. Today's focus is on EdgeCore Digital Infrastructure's major data center campus here. This hyperscale data center development is designed to support high-intensity computing workloads, including those driven by AI, cloud services, and related demands. In this case, it is a 56-acre campus. The initial phase includes 2 buildings, 1 to 1.5 million square feet, and the power capacity is up to 216 megawatts, with a potential to expand to 300. The groundbreaking occurred in 2023, and full campus operations are targeted for 2026. I don't know about that, but it is moving along quickly. One of the reasons, so a lot of people think that because it's the high desert, it's hot. The key is it's high desert. It's actually cool most of the year. There's only 3 months of the year where it's hot, where it averages over 60 degrees. So it actually is an ideal location for the climate, for the access to power, as guaranteed by agreements with NV Energy, and also by the fact that there is a huge transmission line, low latency transmission line between here and Silicon Valley. So that is very interesting. So I've been talking about that as we fly around this campus. Once again, notice that the density of chillers on top of the roofs of these AI data centers is unprecedented in modern building. That is enough chillers. I mean, this building this size would probably have 4 of these chillers if it was inhabited by humans. Another thing that you may have noticed is that just like yesterday's Vantage AI campus building construction, there are diesel generators, and you're just now getting a look at them as we come around the east side of the building. So on the northeast side, right there, those are a bunch of diesel generators, recently placed by that giant crane. And I swear I'm serious about creating Only Cranes site. One of the viewers created a graphic for Only Cranes, and this is the kind of crane porn that would be featured at Only Cranes. Anyway, notice those giant counterweights on the, forget what that thing is called in back. It has a carriage or something, but that is a giant counterweight on this Bragg-owned crane. And to be in the crane business is really good right now in this area. So there are numerous other projects here, including Google, Switch, Vantage, Tract, and others, including Redwood Materials' collaboration with Crusoe on their off-grid, solar-powered installation of AI compute using end-of-life EV batteries. Stay tuned for more of that. And thanks for watching.